Hi, I'm Miss Lu. Let's get started how to handle our school 3D printer. The name of the printer is WanHao Duplicator i3 Plus. Let's have a look with the printer first. Firstly, on the printer, wait for the display to get ready. First, start Tools and do the leveling. Get ready a name card. Press Next for the first corner. Put the name card between the nozzle and the blue plate. Make sure there is a little bit of friction between the nozzle and the name card. After that, continue for the second corner. Check with the feeling of the friction. Then next, for the third corner, this one, it is too tight, then I need to adjust the thumbnail and screw the thumbnail until the name card can move with a little bit of friction and go for the next and the last corner. And adjust until the friction is okay. Then press OK to finish the leveling.